Guys, welcome back to our new video. So how are you? Today I have bought a new video on which is on phishing, you might say, or tracing location, or getting information about the victim's device or everything. So let's begin it. The tool name is Seeker, and we need one more tool which is also called Nakruto, you might be knowing. So let's begin it. So first you need a Naruto tool. So just search it on Google. You will get it. Just download it. I have already downloaded it. Just I will show you how to download it. So if you are downloading it on Linux, you need to download it. First you need to sign in and then log in over here. Then you will get some downloading setup means commands. Here you will get it. This command, you need to download it from this command. It will set up your Nakruto. Then you need to download one more tool which is also called Seeker. Wait, I'll show you. This one tool. Wait, I'll zoom it for you. This one tool, and just a minute. Seeker GitHub. This one. The name of this tool is this. Just click on the first link which is there. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just show you how it works. Where's the command? Yeah, yes, this is the command for downloading it. This is the Kali. This command will work on any Linux machine, and this is for black box. This is for Docker. This is for OS X, and this is the user help. So let's begin our video without wasting our time. Let's open the terminal. Just a minute. We need two terminals side by side. So first we need to give a root permission. Let's put su. I think I need to zoom the screen. You might be not be able to see the screen. Now it's better, I think so. Oh my god, something issue. Yeah, we got the root permission. Now let's go ahead. First command will be ls, because we need the tool file, because I have already downloaded it. Here is it. So just press control shift and C and copy it, put cd and just paste it over here, and let's go ahead, put this command cd seeker and ls. Okay, as you can see over here. Now let's put the further command, which will be python 3 seeker ls. Here is our next command. It's going running and running. Yeah, here it's done. Let's minimize it, and we need a one more tab of terminal. So let's do it. Yeah, we need an acruto for forwarding a link. We need it. Seeker uses port 8080, so by default we are going to use port 8080. Let's go it forward. Here is it. A link is over here, which we have to put to the victims. Means I mean to say, which we are going to give to this victim. This link is going to go to victim. First, let's select it, and let's go to the tab which we have used. This one tab. So finally, we are going to use first one command, which is Google Drive. As you can see, I don't think so you can see. Just wait a minute, I think so. I need to zoom it more than that. Now it's better, I think so. So let's back. This one, where is it? Yeah, this one. We are going to select this one. So let's put just one, number one, and enter the URL file. We are going to put that link over here. Just paste it. Here is a link. I have pasted it. Oh, my screen got blurred. Oh, as you can see, this is a link. Just hit enter, and our server is going to set up. It is fully automatic. So our link is ready. Just we are going to go back and send it to the victim. So let's send it to the victim. I am showing on my own self practically. So let's show it. Where is it? I'm pasting it over here. Let's send it. Let's click it. Here you can see the live. Where is it gone? I think I need to minimize the screen a little bit. Here you can see it is showing that one step is done of connection. This one, and the other one is here. Okay, let's go ahead. So we got the page, this one page. We can also change this page, but little bit difference will be, the path will be different. So I'll show you that if you want to change the page, I'll show you that in the next video. Let's do it. We want to visit that page, so let's click it on visit page. So it is asking for the request. I need a request. Okay. So we want the location of the victim, right? So let's give the permission, and you can see here that what is the procedure going on. Okay, and what information did we get? No information till yet. So let's go back to the website and give allow. Okay, it's done. I think so it's ready. No, still not done. Now it's ready. So as you can see, we got the platform which is used by a victim. I've used for my own self, means Linux, and CPU version it's showing, and GPU, and many more. IP address also. This IP is 6 VIP, and country IP information, location information. If you want to know the location information perfectly, this permission means this location is not perfect that much, but if you want to check the perfect location, just click on this latitude number. Just wait a minute. Let's select this latitude, copy it and jump to this page and just go on Google. Just a minute, it's getting load. So here we are done with it. Just paste that number over here and give space, and let's go back to that website. Sorry, seeker. Let's go back to the seeker and select the other number, means longitude. You have selected it. Let's copy it and let's paste it over here. Here we are done. So it's showing the perfect location as you can see it. Actually, I have jumped my location. I'll show you in the next video how to show fake location, means jump your location. So for now, thanks and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.